Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I've been busy. The seasons changed. Things got busy. I was in Italy and I will try to get a vlog for you guys up soon. But today we have a sweet and simple and very bold and beautiful at the same time Fashion Nova try-on haul. I'm so excited because we have some amazing, colorful, like stand out dresses that are just gorgeous for spring and summer. And I'll try to name some of them, but if I don't remember, just know that you can click the link in the description and I'll try to put the names if I can find them, as well as sizes. Everything is either 2 or 3X. And yeah, let's get started. I'm so excited. Some of these you may have seen on Instagram already, but yeah, I'm so excited. Let's get started. Okay, so this first dress is called the Elegantly Fab, I believe, maxi dress, and this is in the 3X. It does have slits all the way up here, so that's why I'm wearing these biker shorts underneath, so you guys will see how much of your leg would be exposed. I love this dress. You could always get it stitched, you know, to where you feel comfortable wearing it, but it's such a beautiful dress. I love the top here with the off the shoulders, but then it still has a sleeve, so it's more comfortable if you're someone who doesn't like to show your arms, but you still want to show some skin up here. I love that, and there's enough space that you can wear a really nice strapless bra and not worry about it because there's a lot of coverage in the back. It's so freaking beautiful. I love this green color. I'm pretty sure I've shown this dress to you guys in other colors, but I had to show you the green one because I think green is just like the color of the season. It's a very trendy color, and this one in particular is so stunning and beautiful. This would be such a beautiful dress for if you're going to an elegant wedding and it's like a summer wedding. You could definitely get away with wearing this color. You could wear this for so many occasions. It is so freaking glamorous and just like such an eye-catching dress. So comfortable. I love it. Ugh. Stunning. Again, I'm alone, so I can't zip it up all the way, but it is so beautiful. To me, this is like a modern bodycon. I absolutely love the ruching, and the material is so nice. It just like cinches you. I love it. I love like the waterfall kind of detail here, and the little cap sleeves. Again, when it's zipped, it does stay up a little bit better. But I'm alone, so I can't zip it. But it's just so figure flattering and just so pretty. I love the color. Just like the perfect spring dress. Again, this would be so nice as like bridesmaids dresses for like a garden wedding or just as a guest. This would be a really nice dress as well. This dress is like the star of the show. You really can't wear anything underneath it, which is why I'm literally not wearing anything underneath it. Because it has these cutouts here on the sides, so it's like a little bit of belly, but it's so freaking sexy, and I love it. I just think it's so sexy, like it just gives super Vegas vibe. I love this material. It's very, yeah, it feels like almost like a swimsuit kind of, but not really. I don't know how to describe it. Like a neoprene that's more fabric-like, and I really like that. And then it does have like a boning here for this really cool structural look. And it's just like a neon orange dress. Like it's so cool. I freaking love it. Definitely a vibe for summer. Ooh. Okay, so this next dress obviously doesn't fit me well. It's a no stretch, so I definitely would recommend this if you are a 1 to 2X. You could definitely fit into this 3X. As you can see, it's too tight on me, but I still wanted to show you guys because I love this dress. It is so freaking cute. It reminds me of a lot of the dresses that I see for straight sizes, and that's why I love it so much. So again, doesn't fit me properly, but I still think this is a really cute dress. And if you, like I said, are like a 1, 2X, you would love this. It has its own padding, and it does have a zipper in the back. I'm alone, so I can't zip it all the way up, but I love the animal print on this, the little puff sleeve. I love this dress. Okay, so this next dress I absolutely love, but when I posted it on Instagram you guys did not like it. I do think that it is too big on me. This is a size 3X, and the cups are just like all the way in the wrong place for my body type. I think I needed maybe a smaller size. And also, I have naturally not the perkiest situation. You know what I mean? So I think a lot of people just don't like how it looks on my body type, because I've seen thinner, you know, girls with a better situation, and like they wear it, it looks, you know, something like this, and I don't know, everybody loves it, but then me, everybody hates it. So, you know, powerful, sexy kind of vibe. Like, that's like my favorite aesthetic, as you guys know. And so I love this dress. Like, it has like ruching and it's so sexy. It's like this little power black dress. And I'm sorry I don't have the perfect, you know, perky situation, but I still think I deserve to wear a dress like this, and I really like it. Anyway, it has like a structure here so that it stays like this shape. And yeah, as you can see, it's a little big on me on top, so that could add to it. But I love this dress. I think it's so sexy and so 90s inspired.